As a student with just 5,000 naira right now, you are not broke. You are not just thinking like a business owner yet. Because with just that small money and your phone, you are literally sitting on a gold mine inside that your campus or hostel. No jokes. Now, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 5 businesses that you can start today, not next week. I mean today. And number 5 on the list, that one, students are already spending a lot of money on it every single day without even thinking twice. So just pay attention, no long talks. But before we go on, if you are the kind of person that actually loves and likes real practical business ideas like this, not all this motivation, okay? Just tap the like button and subscribe to the channel right now. It helps more students like you see it.
Discover, start, grow, build your business strong, gain clarity. Learn structures and strategies with Entrepreneurial EriOluwa. Discover, start, grow, build your business strong, gain clarity. Learn structures and strategies with Entrepreneurial EriOluwa.
So the first one is sandwich business. And please, remove the mindset that you need one expensive toaster for a start. No, you don't. See, your normal frying pan is enough. All you need is bread, margarine, eggs, maybe sausage, some vegetables and boiled eggs and all of that. That's it. That is literally it. Here's how you're going to play this. Don't try to sell all day. You can target mornings. You know, mornings are the good times when people are rushing for class and they don't have time to cook, okay? You can make like 10 sandwiches, just 10 sandwiches. Now, you can make different variations of the sandwiches. You can have some with vegetables, like I said, carrots and the likes, tomatoes and mayonnaise. You can have some with just pure chocolate chips and, some chops of banana slices. Because you are spending just 5,000 naira, you want to stay within your budget. So maybe you're buying a loaf of bread, which is about 1,400 to 1,500, for example. These are just basic numbers by illustration. Let's say you're buying 1,400 to 1,500 naira loaf of bread. If you are making the chocolate type, you can find chocolate chips that are already packaged in small containers in places where they sell baking items. For example, if you are making that chocolate style of pan toast bread, okay, you can have your loaf of bread, which is 1,500 naira or 1,400 naira to 1,500 naira, as at the time of shooting this video, especially here where I am, okay. And then you can buy a pack of that small chocolate chips in normal containers, which cost about 2,000 to 2,500 naira, and then you can have some bananas with it, okay, maybe about 300 naira bananas, and all you have to do is put your slices of banana and the chocolate in between 2 loaves of bread, and you can absolutely get some sachet margarine, okay. I don't want to mention the name of any brand, but just spread it on top of those 2 slices, and you pin it together, or you slap it together, if I can say that, and you're going to put it in your pan just to toast. So let's say that you have that is already one variation. Another variation, you can use boiled eggs, tomatoes, normal carrots grated, and other sorts of vegetables, and you have it all like that. That is one variation, okay. So depending on your school, you can sell about 500, 600 or 700. You can sell those 10 slices or those 10 loaves of toast for at least, if you sell for at least 500 naira, then that means that you have already sold 5,000 naira in a day, just one day. Now, that is what I call smart move, smart business move, okay? This is smart money. It is not stress money, all right? Now, the second one, this one, if you understand it, then you will just smile, and that is liquid soap. You don't need to learn how to make it. Forget all that stress, okay? Just buy and resell. Simple. Buy 5 liters, which is around 3,000 naira, okay. That 5 liters, that means it is about 5,000 ml. Now let's say you are using all those 33 cl bottles, you know, that's 330 ml. You will get about 15 of those bottles. Now those 33 ml bottles, you don't have to buy them newly. You can absolutely take all those regular bottles of regular drinks that we have in Nigeria. Many of them are in that 33 CL bottles, okay? Get people who are selling these drinks, gather these bottles. You are not using it for any form of food item or anything. You want to simply use it to repackage your liquid soap. So there's no fear of hygiene or whatever it is. All you have to do is get those bottles from people who are selling them, especially in your school area, wash them and get them all set up. Then you can fill those, that's your 5 liter soap, dispense it into each of these 33 CL bottles. That means that you have 15 of those bottles of liquid soap. So let's say you sell each one for 400 Naira. That is 6,000 Naira. You've already doubled your money. But wait, don't stop there. This is where many people miss it. Take your remaining money, add smaller things like needle, thread, safety pins, small essentials, especially if you are in the female hostel. See, when something spoils, nobody is going to the market to go and fix it. They will look for how to fix it and who has it immediately, and that person can be you. See, that's how you become the go-to person. That's how you build a small name for yourself on campus. Now, quick one. Now, the number 3 idea is beauty items. And this one, if you're in a female hostel, you already know. This one moves. Things like eye pencils, lip gloss, lip balms, small earrings. These things are not expensive. And see, you can even get them cheap from places like Temu. Now, in fact, as I'm talking to you, I'm showing on the screen right now some of the ones that I personally got from Temu by myself. So you can see it for your own self. No guesswork. And if you want the exact same ones I'm showing on the screen, just check the description of this video. I've already made it easy for you, okay? Now, why does this sell? Simple. It is urgent. Someone is rushing for class, for example, eye pencil breaks. See, that is not a let me think about it moment. That is the I need it now moment. And if you are the one that has it, definitely you make the money. It's simple. Now, number 4 is snacks. No, I'm not talking about the regular snacks that everybody is shouting. Chin chin here, chin chin there. No. Differentiate yourself. Sell things like dodo ikire, butter cookies, something that feels a bit creamy, something that feels a bit posh, something that when somebody is stressed while reading at night, they can just be like, I need something nice. And your name comes to their mind. Now, you become that person, that snacks plug. See, once you enter that position, you are good. Now, listen very carefully. This is just part 1 of this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you even more powerful businesses that you can start as a student with this same 5K. But this time, no cooking, no stress, just pure smart reselling. So don't miss that video. Now, tell me in the comments, which one are you starting? And if you want me to bring real students that are already doing this business, real people already making money for this, just type bring them in the comment section. I will bring them on the channel so you can hear it directly from them. Now, this is to let you know that I did my research before I brought this video to you. And if you appreciate that, just type this subscribe button on the channel right now and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to indicate bring them if you really want me to bring these people to you so they can explain the tricks, the challenges, the profit margin, even more than whatever it is. Whatever questions you have, they can make it point out clearly to you, all right? And let me also point out that if this particular set of business ideas maybe does not resonate with your kind of university setup, because by my research, I know that some private universities do not allow some kind of businesses, then the next one in the next video is absolutely for you. So make sure you do not miss that one, okay? And make sure that you state all your questions and whatever it is in the comment section. So if you have any questions at all, drop it in the comment section because I actually want you to win. I don't just want you to watch this and move on. Share this video with your friends, your roommates, any student around you that needs money, because the truth is, all of you can actually start something together and nobody's going to be breaching the other person. Everybody will be making money. Don't just watch this video. Till I see you in my next Take Action.